But yeah, so right now, they have to paint the whole wall.
Right, this is the elevator at the, I'm just going to call it the Staff Resource Building, but you just get the address and the title. Duke University, Durham, North Carolina. I'm not sure if this is something old, but it was modernized by Southern PTL Performer, Southern or some other company. Smells like an old elevator. I don't know if this is modded. Here, lower level. A little bit of pre-door. Up two. Quiet outside chime. Here we go. People out here. Back down to one. Operating instructions. I think that's for fire service. Certificate installed 1972. It's a basic stainless steel snap cab. Redone. There's like a security mirror right there. I'm not sure why. Here, back up one. There's like employees everywhere here. I don't think this building's normally for students, so it's kind of awkward. Yeah, a little bit of classic level pre-doors is a little interesting. There are just employees like right outside the oven. There were employees there first, but not now. Because now it's going to be